Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Opera GX is not opening or crashing. So the first thing you can do is to actually try to update Opera GX. You can try to install the update from other browser, like you can just search for Opera. So you'll find an install button from here, or you will find the download now button. You can just click on it, and now you can reinstall Opera GX, and that will surely fix your issue. So if that didn't actually fix your issue, you can try to open Opera GX from the launcher file. So just open the file location of Opera. How to do that? You need to right click on the Opera EX file from the desktop and click on open file location, or you can just go from the start menu and search for the app that you want, like Opera GX. So you can just search for the app from here, like if you want Chrome, you will find the file location from here as see. So there's a lot of ways to open the Opera GX file location, so just do that and open the EX file from there. Also, a lot of users said it is possible to solve the current problem with Opera GX by switching from using your Microsoft account to local account, so try to do that. And another method, you can try to leave Microsoft family. So being a part of Microsoft family can cause your version of Opera GX to fail at starting up. To fix this, you must leave Microsoft family for the time being or stop using the web browser entirely. And the last method you can do is to reset Opera GX browser. So just delete it, uninstall it, and reinstall it as I already said in the first fix, and that may help fix your issue. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.